Have you ever wondered what would happen if you rubbed castor oil on your skin every single day? Well, this thick golden oil has been used for centuries in natural beauty and traditional wellness practices, from ancient Egypt to modern skincare routines. Castor oil has earned a reputation as a powerful natural remedy. But what actually happens when you apply it to your skin daily? Let's talk about the surprising benefits and a few things you should know. First, your skin becomes deeply moisturized. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, especially something called ricinoleic acid. This natural compound helps lock moisture into the skin. Unlike many lotions that sit on the surface, castor oil forms a protective layer that prevents water from escaping. If you struggle with dry, rough, or flaky skin, regular use of castor oil can leave your skin feeling softer, smoother, and more hydrated. Many people notice that areas like elbows, knees, and heels become noticeably softer after consistent use. Second, the skin may look more youthful. Castor oil contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage skin cells and speed up signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. When you apply castor oil regularly, it may help to improve the appearance of your skin by supporting elasticity and keeping it well nourished. It doesn't magically erase wrinkles overnight, but over time, hydrated and nourished skin looks healthier and more radiant. Third, it may help calm irritated skin. Castor oil has natural anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help soothe irritated and inflamed skin. People who deal with redness, mild skin irritation, or sensitivity sometimes find relief when they apply a small amount of castor oil. Because it is thick and protective, it can act almost like a shield that helps calm your skin while it heals. Fourth, it supports clearer skin. This may sound surprising. Castor oil has natural antibacterial properties. This means it can help reduce certain bacteria that may contribute to breakouts. Some people use it as a cleansing routine. The oil helps to dissolve excess sebum, dirt, and impurities that get trapped in the pores. However, everyone's skin is different. For some people, it works beautifully. For others, it may feel heavy. So, it's always a good idea to test it on a small area first. Another interesting thing that can happen is your scars and stretch marks may slowly fade. Castor oil is known to support skin regeneration. The fatty acid in it helps to nourish the skin and may encourage healthy tissue growth. Over time, consistent use may help to improve appearance of scars, stretch marks, and uneven skin texture. It's not an instant fix, but many people notice gradual improvements when they use it consistently. Fourth, your skin barrier becomes stronger. Your skin has a natural protective barrier that keeps moisture in and harmful irritants out. When the skin barrier is damaged, your skin may become dry, sensitive, and prone to irritation. Because castor oil is so nourishing, it helps to reinforce the barrier and protect your skin from environmental stress. Here's something interesting. Many people who use castor oil daily also notice that their skin develops a natural glow. When the skin is properly moisturized, protected, and nourished, it naturally reflects light better. That's why healthy skin often looks radiant without needing a lot of makeup. But before you start applying castor oil everywhere, there's a few things to keep in mind. Castor oil is very thick. Some people prefer mixing it with lighter oils like coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil, so it spreads more easily onto the skin. Secondly, always do a patch test before using it regularly. Apply a small amount on the inner arm and wait 24 hours to see how your skin reacts. Thirdly, use a small amount because it's very concentrated. A little goes a long way. Just a few drops can be enough on your face. And finally, consistency matters. Natural remedies always work gradually. The benefits usually appear with regular use over time. So what happens if you rub castor oil on your skin every day? Your skin may become more hydrated, smoother, calmer, and possibly even more radiant. The simple oil has been trusted for generations, and for many people, it remains one of the most powerful natural skincare secrets. Sometimes, the best skincare solutions are the simplest ones. Nature has been providing them all along. So next time you see that small bottle of castor oil, remember, inside it may be one of the oldest beauty secrets in the world.